Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can submit your info card to the bird watcher here. So go to Bailey and then select the submit info card and select the one you want. You can only submit 5 per day. So I'm just going to submit 5 here. And then if you collect more data, remember to bring it to me. And then it's Bailey's gonna give you like items if you submit it to her. I think there's also a task where like the passionate girl needs some bird info cards here. So let's track that. And is it even here or am I in the wrong area? Oh, okay, I'm in the wrong area. But yeah, that's how you can submit the bird watching like info card on Heartopia. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!